Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to set up my memory planner with you, and I'm going to be using this kit from the Plump planner. Now, I thought this would be the perfect kit for this week, considering the weather, what it's been like. It's been snowing one day, then it's been bright sunshine, then it's been raining, so I thought this kit would be quite nice. However, I have used most of the functional stuff from this kit already, so I'm going to have to dip into some other kits to add to it, purely because I used this for another thing that I did. I think it was around Easter time last year. I used all these stickers there. So yeah, this is this kit that I'm going to go with for this week. So let's open up and get started. I'm going to need that from in there. Okay, so what I do for this, let me see if I can show you one that I've done before. Because I write like memory stuff in there, so I don't want everything out. Because it's like my diary entry into my journal, but I can show you this side. So here I do a panel of my day, and then under there I will write like a little diary entry as to how my day went, or what I got up to, or thoughts from the day. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to choose one of these headers to go with it. I think pink or yellow. I think I might go with the yellow. Yeah, let's go with the yellow. So the first thing I do is I stick down these headers. They normally come, like kits normally come with the headers on. But again, I think I've used those, or that kit didn't come with it, I'm not sure. And then I'm just covering over. There we go, like that. And then I do this for all of them. And then what I'll do is I'll go back in with some dates and sticker over with the dates. If you can't tell from my voice, I've not been too well recently. Not that I've been sick, I've just been, I don't know, whatever this cold is that's going around. My partner, he's been really unwell recently, so I think it's my turn to have some of whatever he's had, which is great. So I used to use a planner like this last year, and what I would do is every day I would use a different theme depending on the day, but now I use a full sticker kit for the whole week and keep it all the same theme for the week. And that's why sometimes these kits will have missing things, because I would have used them last year where I was taking bits and pieces out. Right, so that's that done. I can put that away. The next thing I've got is some washi tape to go with it. Let's have a look at these. I very quickly picked out some, but I'm not sure if I need some kind of yellow now. Maybe this dot one to go with it. So I picked up these. Maybe them two with a little bit of that. Do they even go? I don't know. Maybe just them two. I mean, that's not really fitting what's in it. Let's have a look in my box of just some random washies that I've got. Nothing's really jumping out at me. There is all sorts in here. Anyone else struggle with picking washi? Sometimes I think it goes and then it doesn't. Oh, do you know what? Let's stick with these two. We'll see how it goes. So what I tend to do is I will start with a box. I will choose a box. Let's go for this one. Don't know why. Let's just go with that one. and then I place the box in this bottom corner, and then I just kind of like decorate around it. Sometimes I use these and I will place them here, so when I'm writing it has a little bit of bulkiness to it, if that's the right word, bulkiness, so it doesn't just look all writing, there's a bit more going on. And then I might even add some of these stickers. I mean, it's not Easter, but you know, let's just add eggs. Like that, and then I can add my washi tapes. So this washi tape is an Archer and Olive one. This was from one of their boxes when I was on their team. And then this, I have no clue where this one's from. This is probably off like a D-stash. Ooh. Yeah, I've probably bought this one off a D-stash somewhere. It's not very pink when you put it down. Don't know if you can see that, but it's not very pink. Let's clip that out of the way. And then I might just stick a little bit up the top there. And then I won't touch this panel until the day actually arrives, and then I'm planning in it. Okay, so that's one page done. And then all I do now is I work through them. Some of them I might double up with the pictures. How many have we got? 8. So yeah, I can afford to double up on one. Let's double up this one and this one, like that. Let's put that one there. And then I just kind of chop and change what washi I put down. Let's put a little bit up there again. I feel like it needs something there. But what I might do is leave that so then I've got some space to write. Like normally I write one highlight of my day in a colour so that pops out when I look at the page. Maybe we'll just go for that one. Okay. Next one, let's go. I want to save the teapots for the weekend, for when I'm relaxed. Let's do that there. How many more of these do we have? 2. Yeah, no, I won't use them yet. I did have this washi as well, but I don't know if that's too dark. Let's go this one again and do similar to the first one. That down first, then the pink one after. And again, I'll leave that space there to be able to put a highlight there. Okay, on to the next. What day am I on to? Thursday. Sometimes I wonder if I should put it up there. No, I think I prefer down here. Maybe because I want to cover that up. Right, on the next one, let's try something different. Let's do just a pink this time along the bottom. You can probably tell I have like certain layouts that I always go back to. Right, let's try it on this one. Putting the picture up the top. Yeah, let's try it. This is the fun of these spreads. You can just experiment and play around with what works to the side. Okay. And then maybe a big strip along the bottom. I might do a bit similar to that one that goes across there, but maybe, oh no, I don't know if I've gone completely wild here. Maybe I should have stuck with what works. No, that's right in the middle. That's not gonna work. That can come off. Okay, let's just chuck them down there. Or maybe I'll chuck that up there. Like that. Yep, let's leave that. I can come back to that. Although I could do these. No. Stick with the plan. Okay, that one down there. Then anything there, or shall I leave that blank? I'll leave that one blank this time. Okay, and then finally Sundays. This is how quick and easy it is to set up a week. I really enjoy spending my Sundays just sitting back, setting up. Let's do these here. Let's go with this one. Yeah, I feel like this kit was definitely an Easter kit, but it's not Easter just yet. But we're going to use it regardless. Let's do that there, and then finally some washi tape at the bottom. Bit there. So yeah, like I say, then what I'll do is as the week goes on, each night as I get in from work, whatever I'm doing, I will sit down, do a dashboard kind of area here with like a breakdown of the day with stickers, and then over on this side will be a diary entry of whatever I want to write about, or maybe like a recipe I tried out or a place I visited, just some kind of memory on this side. That's the way I've always done these kind of layouts. I've never really tried anything else. I see a lot of people do others, but for some reason I always gravitate back towards doing the dashboard and then the writing. So yeah, let's have a look and have a final flip through for this week. I really like this sticker kit. I'm glad I stuck with the choices for washi tapes. That feels a little bit bare up there. I'm going to add something in. Add some washi. If in doubt, add washi. Yeah, this would have been a really nice kit for Easter, but I do have other kits for Easter that I want to use. So yeah, that's it for this week. That is all set up and ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.